Jolly Phonics for the Whiteboard is a comprehensive program for classroom teaching on an interactive whiteboard. It provides daily teaching plans and exciting interactive lesson slides for each of the 5 key skills of the Jolly Phonics program. This provides the best start for your children on their journeys to becoming confident readers and writers in English. The software comes in 3 steps. Step 1 contains daily lesson plans for each of the 42 letter sounds. Within each letter sound lesson, children will be introduced to the sound, action, song, and story, and are provided with a range of exciting activities that enable them to practice blending and segmenting with this new sound. There is also constant revision of previously learnt sounds. Steps 2 and 3 contain daily lesson plans for alternative spellings of sounds, handwriting, and tricky words. There are 12 units in each step, with the units being broken down into separate teaching categories. Once again, these include a range of exciting activities for children to complete, all the while revising, practicing, and consolidating their previous knowledge and skills. Every screen has a toolbox along the bottom, providing teachers with a range of tools that can be used to complete activities on each slide, as well as navigating the software. You can also remind your children of any of the 42 letter sounds by listening to them at any point. As well as the toolbox, comprehensive teacher's notes for every single slide are available via the inky mouse button at the top of the screen. These can be printed in advance to help teachers' planning of the lessons. Every unit also has a selection of worksheets that can be printed out for children to complete after the core teaching using the software. Finally, teachers are able to toggle between British English and American English spellings, as well as between precursive and print letter fonts. Precursive letter fonts have an exit stroke on each letter that encourages joined-up handwriting, whereas print letter fonts do not. Jolly Phonics for the Whiteboard enables teachers to deliver lessons in a fun and engaging way to children, using a wide range of activities that are all available at the touch of a button.